there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you have a hardworking man in your life who really doesn't like to feel cold ever, well, this TOURGO heated jacket might be just the thing for him. My husband is pretty tall, so we were a little bit concerned that it might not fit him well in the body or the arms, but we were both so pleased to see that it fits him perfectly, like a glove. We live in an area where it typically gets pretty cold for most of the year. It can be very windy here a lot of the time, and that wind is not warm. It is coming straight off the North Atlantic. Chances are any outdoor work that my husband has to do, he really has to brace himself for. With the heat function of this jacket, he feels so cozy. It gives him that extra reinforcement against the chilly temperatures that he really needs. He really likes that the heat from this jacket is very customizable with 3 different levels. He can easily toggle between them depending on the weather that day and how he's feeling. My husband finds it to be so comfortable and great for workwear, but he also likes wearing it just for casual, everyday wear when we're doing our errands. He's commented to me that even without the heat function turned on with this jacket, it's still quite a warm jacket. This TOURGO jacket has quickly become my husband's favorite cool weather friend. But that's just my point of view.